Hello everyone, I'm again here with a new video of Magento Helpdesk. So in this video, I will show you how you can use your Magento Helpdesk and how you can manage your tickets. So at first, to use the Magento Helpdesk, we have to enter our admin panel. So this is our admin panel. So here you can see a Helpdesk menu where you can see all the options. So I will explain you how you can use your help desk. So at first I have clicked on dashboard. So this is our help desk dashboard. Here in this dashboard you can see the ticket counts according to their statuses. So here the screen is displaying there is a pending ticket, and under new tickets there are 8 tickets. Under open status there are 69 tickets. Under closed status there are 1 ticket. There is a ticket, single ticket, and so on. After the tickets counts according to their statuses, you can see the recent activities. So here you can see the recent activities which are generated recently by your customers, agents, and all the participants of your help. So these recent activities will be generated because you have configured it from the helpdesk configuration. Now that's all for the dashboard of your helpdesk. Now we will move to the ticket management. On the mouse hover, you can on ticket management you can see a menu is open where you can see 5 options. First is manage ticket, second is manage ticket type, third is manage ticket status, fourth is manage ticket priority, and fifth is manage ticket custom attributes. So we will click on manage tickets. So after clicking on manage tickets, you can see ticket list which have been generated by the customers of our Magento helpdesk, or you can say of our Magento store. Now I will click on, so here you can select tickets from here, and you can select any action to be performed to these tickets. So you can delete these tickets by clicking on delete. You can change the status of these tickets. So a status bar will be open, will be displayed. Now you can change the status of these 4 tickets as open, new, pending, resolved, or closed, or spam. You can also change the type of the ticket, these selected tickets. So you can change the types from question, pre-sale query, refund, support, sales, or customization request. You can change the priority of these tickets. So here the menu is changed according to these selections. So you can change the priority from high, medium, low, or urgent. You can also change the group of these tickets. Here are group options: product management, QA, and sales. You can select any group for these tickets. You can change agents, or you can assign agents for these tickets. So here are 4 agents. You can assign any these tickets to any agents, or if you don't want to do anything, then select it as blank. You can also use filters to search any particular ticket. Here you can search it from ticket ID. Here you can search it by full name, email address. Here you can search ticket by its subject. You can search it by group, agent, status, priority and type. Or you can search it by the ticket created date. So now I will show you how you can edit or make a reply to a ticket. So I have opened a ticket. In this page you can see various options are shown. So if you haven't used, or if you don't want to use those actions which I have shown you recently, then you can also change the type, status, priority of this ticket from ticket view or edit button. You can assign agents from this page. You can assign groups. You can create ticket tags. You can enter or you can save any ticket notes. This ticket note is very much beneficial for the agents who is working, for the agent who is working on this ticket, on this particular ticket. So here is a lock view timer. If any other agent will be working on this tickets or viewing this ticket, then this marker will turn to red and a pop-up will be shown with the agent's name. So we were on the ticket notes. So this ticket note is very much beneficial for the agent who is working on this ticket. This ticket note will be shown to the particular agent who is working on this ticket only. Now you can see some buttons here. So by clicking on reply button, you can easily reply to any ticket. You can upload images or files, or you can attach any file to your reply, and by clicking on reply you can easily send reply to this ticket. You can also forward this ticket by clicking on forward. You can add note. By this note is very much different. This add note is very much different from this ticket note, because ticket note is shown to only to the agent who is working on this particular ticket, and this ticket note or this add note will be shown to the other agents who will be working on these tickets. But this add note will not shown to the customers work. I will create a ticket note, web pool demo note. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Now I will click on add note. So you can see the difference. This is our reply and this is our add note. Oh, sorry. This is our reply to this ticket and this is our note. So you can see here I have added a note. So this note will be shown only to the agents who are working on this ticket, and this add note will not be displayed to the customers. So here you can write any internal notes for your team. Now we will move to responses. By clicking on responses, you can add a prepared response to a ticket. Prepared response is something which you have prepared earlier to reply fast or to apply different actions to a particular ticket within a click. So you can easily apply the prepared response from here. So I will show you how you can create prepared responses in our next video. So now we will move to mark spam button. By clicking on mark spam, the ticket will be marked as spam and it will move to your spam folder. You can also delete the ticket from this button. By clicking on delete, a confirmation message will occur, and if you click on OK, then the ticket will be deleted, but I will not delete this ticket. So that's all for the ticket management, or you can say ticket view or edit. So you can also create new tickets by this add button on behalf of your customer. So you can write the customer's name, you can write the email of the customers, you can select the type of the ticket, then you can add the subject and the description. So at first we will write the customer's name, email, anything which is of your customer's email. Now you can select the type of the ticket. Now I have entered the subject and description. So you must be thinking that why we have to create tickets. This is very much beneficial if any customer have called you up for any query and some conversation is done on the call. So now the customer wants to create a ticket, so you will create a ticket for that customer and put it to your help desk, and then your agents will solve this ticket. So now after filling all the informations, you have to click on save. So here you can see we have created a new ticket. You can delete or you can merge the tickets by selecting the ticket, and by clicking on merge, the ticket will be merged. By clicking on merge, the ticket will be merged. So you have to select a primary ticket under which all these tickets will be shown, and by clicking on merge, the ticket will be merged and these tickets will show under this ticket ID. So we will not merge these tickets. Now you can also delete tickets by selecting or deselecting the ticket from here. So I want to delete this ticket, so I have selected this ticket. Now I will click on delete and submit. There is the confirmation message. So you can see ticket ID 90 is deleted from our ticket list. So that's all for the tickets. Now we will move to ticket type. So by clicking on ticket type, you will be redirected to ticket type management page. Here you can see the list of ticket types which you have created earlier. So you can easily edit a ticket type by clicking on any ticket type. So you can edit it. You can edit the name, its description, and you can enable or disable this. You can delete this ticket type by clicking on delete. You can save the modifications which you have made like this. You can also search it by its name, ID, and description. You can select action as by selecting a particular ticket type. You can delete it or change its status as enabled or disabled. You can also add a new ticket type by clicking on this add type button. You have to enter the name and description of the ticket type, and you have to set the ticket type as enable, and you have to click on save. So now you can see our demo ticket type has been created. So we can delete it by selecting it and by clicking on delete button, and we have to click on submit. There is a confirmation message, and you can see the demo ticket type is deleted. So that's all for the ticket types. Now we will move to the ticket status, manage ticket status. So you can see in this page, these are the ticket status which you have made earlier. So you can also edit by clicking on any ticket status. You can change its name, description. You can change its status as enable or disable. You can delete this ticket status, or you can save the changes which you have made recently. So here is the success message that status was successfully saved. You can add new ticket status by clicking on add status button. Here you have to enter the name of the status, then you have to write the description of the status, then you have to click on enable to enable the status of this status. So now you can see our demo status has been created. So I will delete it easily. You can delete it by selecting the status and click on delete button and submit. Here is the confirmation message. Here is the success message you can see. So these ticket status will be shown to the customers at the front end for their tickets. So that's all for the ticket status. We will move to ticket priority. So here is its list of ticket priorities. So you can edit any ticket priority by clicking on any priority. You can change its name, its description, or you can change the status of the priority as enable or disable. You can delete priority from here, or you can save the modifications done from the save button. So you can also add priority from this button as you have added us and types. That's how you can easily add ticket priorities. Now we will move to manage ticket custom field attributes. So these are the ticket custom attributes. So ticket custom attributes are very much beneficial. The agents or admin can add any ticket attributes to grab extra informations or additional informations from the customers. So here we have created an order ID. We can edit existing custom attributes by clicking on that custom attribute, and we can easily change its attribute code. We can't change the attribute code because attribute code must be unique. Now we can change the field dependency of order ID. Then we can, the next field is input type. We can change the input type from here. Values required, if values required, then this will be a mandatory field. The customer must have to fill this attribute or this field in while generating a ticket. Now here is input validation, integer number. Only customers can fill numbers on it. Now we will move, these are the properties, attribute properties. Now we will move to the manage label and option. So you can edit admin view of the order ID attribute. Now default store view of the attribute. You can add options, and after that you have to save. Okay, I have also, this is a mandatory field, order ID. Now you can easily save the modifications by the save button. Here is a success message. You can add new attributes to grab or to get additional informations from the customers. So let's say for example I will add attribute code as additional info. So I will select the field dependency on question. I will select the input type text field or text area. You can select any input type from here. I have selected text area. The next option is, do you want to give the editor to the customers or not? Now next option, next field is values required. I will set it as no, because if I set it as yes, then it will be a mandatory field for the customers. Now here is input validation. You can select or validate the entries of the customers. I will select none because customer can fill anything in these additional info. That's all for the attribute properties. We will move to manage table options. So here I will name it as additional info on my admin panel. Now in default store view, the customer will see this title, and in our RWD theme the customers will see this title of this attribute. I will save this. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, I have wrongly entered a capital letter. Now I will save it. So you can see a success message that your attribute has been successfully saved. So here is our attribute additional info. Now we will go to customers panel. Here I will click on generate ticket, and we'll see the additional info additional info menu is displaying or not. So here you can see no additional info menu is shown. So when I select ticket type as question, because I have set the field dependency, so you can see it is not displayed in this ticket open or ticket generate field, because at first we have to select the display on front end as yes. So you have to select this attribute and show in front end, select the show in front end and submit. Then you have to click on yes. Now we will go again to this ticket generate field, and here we will select the question ticket type. Then you can see an additional information field is in front of you. So that's all how you can make the ticket custom attribute field to grasp additional informations or useful informations from the customer's end. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected.